Greetings with peace, viewers. Wine is an alcoholic beverage made from fermented grapes. To make wine, grapes are harvested and crushed, and the resulting juice is fermented with yeast. During the fermentation process, the natural sugars in the grape juice are converted into alcohol, giving the wine its characteristic flavor and alcohol content. The specific characteristics of a wine, such as its color, aroma, and taste, depend on a variety of factors, including the type of grapes used, the region where the grapes were grown, and the winemaking techniques used to produce the wine. There are many different types of wine, ranging from light and fruity white wines to full-bodied red wines, and the flavor and aroma of each type can vary widely depending on the grape variety and other factors. Wine, particularly red wine, has been associated with a number of potential health benefits when consumed in moderation. Before we proceed, can you do us a favor? Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Here are the 9 health benefits of wine. Number 1. Reduced risk of heart disease. The polyphenols found in red wine, particularly resveratrol, have been shown to have antioxidant properties that may reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, the alcohol in wine may help to improve circulation and lower blood pressure. Number 2. Improved cognitive function. Studies have shown that moderate wine consumption may help to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Number 3. Lowered risk of stroke. Moderate wine consumption has been associated with a lower risk of stroke, particularly ischemic stroke. Number 4. Reduced risk of certain cancers. The antioxidants in red wine may also help to reduce the risk of certain cancers, particularly breast cancer and colon cancer. Number 5. Improved gut health. Some studies have suggested that moderate wine consumption may help to improve gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Number 6. Reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Moderate wine consumption has been associated with a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes, possibly due to the presence of polyphenols that can help to improve insulin sensitivity. Number 7. Improved bone health. Studies have shown that moderate wine consumption may help to improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, possibly due to the presence of silicon in wine. Number 8. Reduced inflammation. The polyphenols in wine may also help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can contribute to a number of chronic diseases. Number 9. Improved sleep. Some studies have suggested that moderate wine consumption may help to improve sleep quality, although excessive alcohol consumption can have the opposite effect. Risk of wine. While moderate wine consumption may offer some potential health benefits, excessive wine consumption can have negative health effects and increase the risk of a number of health problems, including 1. Addiction and alcoholism. Regular and excessive wine consumption can lead to addiction and alcoholism, which can have serious negative effects on physical and mental health, relationships, and overall quality of life. 2. Liver damage. Excessive wine consumption can cause liver damage, including alcoholic hepatitis, cirrhosis, and liver cancer. 3. High blood pressure. While moderate wine consumption may help to lower blood pressure, excessive wine consumption can have the opposite effect, leading to high blood pressure and an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. 4. Increased risk of certain cancers. While the antioxidants in wine may help to reduce the risk of certain cancers, excessive wine consumption can increase the risk of other types of cancers, including breast cancer, mouth cancer, throat cancer, and liver cancer. 5. Impaired judgment and increased risk of accidents and injuries. Excessive wine consumption can impair judgment and coordination, increasing the risk of accidents and injuries, including motor vehicle accidents, falls, and other accidents. Overall, while moderate wine consumption may offer some potential health benefits, it's important to consume alcohol in moderation and to be aware. Additionally, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. Thank you for watching.